Um, this is a video that I'm making after I've been modeling the house, just because I realized that I'm using these two techniques quite often that I haven't showed you. You can choose a different type of house. That's not an issue. I realized that the house that I've chosen might be a bit difficult to create, at least at this point. But if you still want to follow what I've been making, there's these two techniques that I really want to show you if you want to follow through. So to kind of show you what I'm talking about, we're just going to create the box again. So let me just convert it to an editable poly. I'm going to create the edges, select the edges, and what I wanted to show you is that we can actually connect these two edges and create a horizontal one, or connect these two and create a vertical one. And I'm just going to show you that in a second. So if I select these two with the edges selected, and I just go here to connect, and I press the settings button, it is going to create one extra edge that connects it right in the middle. Now I can change this and add more segments to it, and I can also increase the pinch, the space between them basically, and everything is equal. So this is going to be really helpful, and you're gonna see why in the house creation basically. Now if I want to connect this one with this one, well, now I cannot do that equally, because now there's more than just one edge, because I basically split them up. So if I'm gonna try to do it, it's gonna get me some weird looking edges. So one way around that, and I might be wrong, there's maybe other ways to do this, but I find it really easy to go to the edges, and there is a thing right here if you scroll called cut. If I go here to this vertex right here, you'll see that it would allow me to kind of connect this one with the other vertices right here. So that is really helpful when I have something that's really messy, like this thing right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my, let's see, which side is that? Front. I think it's gonna be back. Yes. And I'm just gonna carefully connect it with the other edge. If I press right click now, that's gonna release. And now I have a, well, it's not really straight, but now I have connected this side to this side, and I can do it again as many times as I like, and from any point on this edge to any point on this edge. So that's going to be really helpful in the next part of the video. Again, you don't have to do this. You can go as simple as you like. But I think this is something that you definitely use in the future, and you'll definitely see in other videos. So just even if you have a look at it, and if you ever see something similar in which out of the sudden edges are created, now you know how.